Well, it was nice to see my brother's son David there, chopping down some dead wood. Mom and Dad talked about Key West a little bit, the time we were there, because David and Missy are going to be using the timeshare Hilton thing down there. They're going to go to Marco Island and the Key West. So we were talking about Key West. And we were talking about deer, and talking about development in Dave's backyard. Well, near his backyard. Not, he said he could walk through the woods, and there's a $750,000 homes being built. What else we talked about? Oh, we got in a big discussion about people that have horses here in this part of the world. That was what we talked about right before we left. But yeah, it was nice seeing everybody on a beautiful Sunday afternoon.